Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Boris Elementary School in Fresno, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District. And I'm standing outside their cafeteria, their multi-purpose area, where we had some assemblies today. And it's such an honor to be back here to share my heart. This is one of the first California schools that I've ever visited when I've been out here many years ago. And so it's just so cool to come back, and get to see some old faces and some new faces, and just get to share a very, very important message. So the focus of the programs for today, we're on bullying, more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? That was like the sub theme. And talking about our heart as big as our fist, but if we let love, peace, compassion, kindness, respect fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, right? Hopefully with compassion, but also too, because in just 2 seconds, right? One breath, one heartbeat, one word, right? We can just uplift someone higher than the clouds by what we say or do, or conversely, we can tear them down, that we say something so mean it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So we really have to really be conscious and aware of our actions and think about what we're doing, how we're treating ourselves, how we're treating others. And if we are hurting, there were a lot of students that did come up to me and said that they were going through something even at a young age, something that was really heavy on their hearts. There were some tears too, and tears are strength. They're the sweat of our strength, the start of healing and feeling again. But working through that emotion, we said, hey, we're going to turn some of this hurt people who hurt people, because sometimes we push that pain onto others by how we treat them poorly, turn that into healed people who heal people. And this really goes in line, right, with their Be Bold initiative and acronym and what they stand for here at Boris. That they're doing their best to be determined, and that means that even if we fall short sometimes, even if we don't treat someone the way that we want to be treated, if we're having a bad day, something just happens that we say something that we don't mean, we can just keep trying again and again and again. Ask for forgiveness. Hopefully they say yes, that they forgive us too. And just, rise above that hate, start to show that love, make it a habit, and just keep going. That even if we fall short or fall down or don't do it right every time, as long as we keep trying, as long as we keep going, as long as we keep pushing for peace, that's really all that matters. And the students really took that home today. They really, really got it. I was so grateful for so many of them that said, hey, Mr. Peace, you really touched my heart. And I've only had about 45 minutes with them. And so if I can touch their heart in this short amount of time, just think about the difference we can make in each other's lives over the course of an entire school year, right? This is only the first week of the school year. And to know that we're already, making this lasting impression on our young people, that's what gives me this encouragement, that lets me know that our world is going to be in the right hands, and that, like Gandhi's talked about, be the change you want to see for the world. These students are already living it, right? So many of them came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, I want to make a difference. Like, I want to do something with my life. And they're only in 4th grade, and they're already got the wheels turning and thinking about how they want to be remembered, and what they want to be remembered for is kindness, someone who's kind, someone that we want to remember them for, that they're not only looking at someone's heart first, but this too. We always bring this up in all of my assemblies, all my presentations. With the lines on our hand, we all have the letter M on our palms, right? I traced one of mine here. My shirt says this too. This M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this, because so many people don't believe this, or they might have forgotten this truth. And once we understand this, we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? Help them see that they're good enough too, just the way that they are. No matter if they're different than us, we can still look past that, any judgments that we have, any stereotypes, any of that, and be able to see someone for their heart first. Thank you all so much for touching my heart. Have a great school year. Hope to see you again very soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol you see on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.